my channel. So I just finished doing this makeup look using some products that I purchased a long time ago but forgot to open. So I recently opened them and I was like, huh, these are so cute. Why have I not done anything about it yet? So this is the video where I'm taking out all my rom&nd products. These were made in collaboration with Neonmoon. It's the really cute teddy bear kind of cartoon character. It's super pretty, super cute. The packaging was so cute that I think that was part of the reason why I didn't open it earlier, because it's so pristine that I didn't want to like ruin it. So anyway, I've just opened it today. I bought a foundation as well as eyeshadows and a couple of lip colors and blushes as well. So I'm going to be swatching them for you today. So if you want to see how the products look like on my skin, watch on and you can see how this goes down.
So the first item that I got is the Goodnight Casette edition, which is a limited edition set containing 3 items, 1 blusher and 2 lip products. So the blush that I received in the set is the Goodnight powder, which is a very light peachy shade with little glitters within. The next item in the set is the Glasting water tint. I got it in soft pool and it is a lip tint that is slightly cherry pink in shade and it leaves a really soft, pretty hint of pink on your lips. Next up is the Glasting water glass, which is a high shine lip gloss with little glitters within. You can see that there is a slight ombre shading going on within the tube, but it really goes on clear with a little bit of iridescent shine. The next item that I picked up was the Better Than Eyes eyeshadow palette in shade 1. This is a quad eyeshadow palette that contains 4 shades. 3 of them are matte shades and then 1 glitter shade, and I find them really flattering for Asian skin tones. So if you have more yellow or neutral skin tone, this would be suitable for you. They are very wearable and the powders are really soft and easy to blend, and the glitters really help to make your eyes pop. Because I really wanted to try all the different products in this collaboration, I also got the Zero Cushion. There are not many choices in terms of shades, so I picked up the darkest shade in 23, hoping that would be a match. The packaging, as with all the other items from this range, is just beyond adorable. I love how it's just 1 purple shade for everything, and even the bottom of the puff is purple. The foundation feels quite too light for my arm, but man, that coverage is nothing short of amazing. If you want to compare, you can look at the freckles on my arm. It's like freckles, 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 and magic! No more freckles. I could not resist picking up more blushes, so I got a couple more shades for the Better Than Cheek. Here I have the Fairy powder, which is a muted peachy shade, kind of similar to the Goodnight powder, but a more toned down version without the glitters. Next, I got the Sleep powder, which is a pretty pink shade that's also got a little tinge of peach to it as well, and I'm obsessed with how sweet this blush shade looks on the skin. And so here we have it, all 3 blush shades on my hand for your easy comparison. And now that we're done with the swatching on my hands, I'm gonna try them out on my face to create a makeup look.
thought this lip color would be too much because it looks quite dark. But we see. So we're done with the final makeup and the try on, and I think that the foundation has incredible coverage. It's like slight depth, and I had so much product on it, so there's a lot of product within the cushion, and then when I press it onto my skin, I can tell that the coverage is so good. It's got full coverage, yet it's kind of dewy, so it gives like a very natural Korean glass skin type of finish. But it was a little bit too light for me, so I tried using it on my face, but I think it is too light for me. As for the eyeshadows, the sparkles are really pretty. I don't think you are able to see it through the... I don't think you're able to see it through this because of my lighting. Let me see if I can lower it. Can you see it? Anyway, so the sparkles are very pretty in real life, and for the blush I thought that it had a really nice texture, so it's very soft and fine, and it went onto the skin, it blended onto the skin very seamlessly. The only issue I had also was the shade that I chose, because it was a little bit like a very muted, almost peachy nude kind of tone, which I thought was very pretty when I swatched it on my hand, but it doesn't show up that much on my face. Even then, I like it because it looks very natural, so I think it really depends on the kind of look that you're going for. As for the lip tint, I was very surprised because I expected the lip color to stain a lot more, and it didn't, so it just gives a very natural, like juicy lips kind of look. And then I added on the glittery one. So now that I have it on, I feel like it's a little bit minty. It feels like it's a lip plumper. I didn't know what it was because it's all in Korean. I just thought it was a glittery, pretty lip gloss. And in fact, I got two of it, one in the small one and one in the big one, because I really liked it and I thought it was very pretty. Now that I have it on, I'm pretty sure it's some sort of a lip plumper because my lips feel like, it feels like something is happening right there. So we've come to the end of the video. I hope you enjoyed it and I hope you found it useful. Please feel free to let me know if you have any questions about the products down below, and I'll try my best to answer each and every one of your questions. Until then, I'll see you in my next one. Bye!